Assalamualaikum, good morning, hi Pakistan. Puram here. So finally leaving Pakistan. But before leaving Pakistan, let me tell you something. Our world come and explore Pakistan. Pakistan is a peaceful country. दोस्तों अब रुखसत का वक्त है वापस अपने पवेलियन कतर पर आपको एक बात बताऊं कि पाकिस्तान नायाब कंट्री स्पेशली इसके जो नॉर्दर्न एरियाज हैं अमेजिंग। और अगर मैं बात को हिस्टोरिकल पर्सपेक्टिव से तारीखी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मैं मतलब तो पाकिस्तान इज रिच इन हिस्ट्री, हेरिटेज, कल्चर, आर्ट एंड फूड। सो वन do come explore Pakistan. May Allah bless Pakistan, and I miss my loved ones. So I will be creating a review on Oman Air as I did for Qatar Aviation. Heading towards the aircraft, let me tell you something. Oman Air is the flag carrier of Oman, founded in 1993 and a member of the One World Alliance since June 2025. It operates a modern fleet serving 44 destinations with a mix of Boeing and Airbus jets. I stepped onto Oman Air flight WY324 bound for Muscat, brimming with anticipation. But this is not a luxury service, no business class, just a crisp, straightforward economy cabin, which meant one thing: I was flying on a Boeing 737-800 configured in all economy layout. Exactly as Oman Air operates for high-frequency regional routes around this period. Should there be a drop in the cabin pressure, your oxygen mask will. We would also like to welcome Emerald, Sapphire and Ruby members from our One World partner. We wish you pleasant flight and thank you for choosing Oman Air, a member of One World Alliance. What makes Boeing 737-800 special? Number 1 variant, Boeing 737-800 Next Generation Series, length 39.5 meters approximately, wingspan 35.8 meters, engine 2 CFM56 7P turbofans. Approximately 27,000 lbf thrust, range approximately 5,700 kilometers. 162 seats in 3:3 format on WY324, likely single class with around 162 seats and no business. The 737-800 is a balanced workhorse, fuel efficient, reliable and versatile for short to medium routes like Karachi to Muscat. Once aboard, I'll tell you something that I grabbed my window seat. Now ready for the climb. As we taxied for departure, the skies above were heavy, layered with thick, rolling clouds. No sunshine, no golden hour. Just a calm grey canopy hanging over the airport. It set a moody tone for an aviation enthusiast. It was perfect. The engine's twin CFM56 7B turbofans came to life with a low, steady growl. These engines are known for their balance of power and fuel efficiency, pushing the Boeing 737-800 to cruising altitudes quickly and reliably. Soon we were airborne, plunging through the overcast blanket and entering a sky that looked more like a sea of foam. There was no in-flight entertainment screen, no luxury add-ons, and that was expected. Oman Air configures its Boeing 737-800s for particularly around 162 economy seats, laid out in a 3:3 configuration, all for high-frequency Gulf routes like this one. Were leveled off at 35,000 feet, cruising steadily through a corridor of deep grey clouds. The view from the window mesmerizing in its own way. No sunbeams, no bright blues, just soft, endless layers of cloud, like moving through a sullen storm. The weather gave the flight a mysterious calmness, almost cinematic. Lovely. Flying at approximately 830 km per hour, the 737-800 held firm in turbulent layers, handling the pressure changes and went sharp without a hitch. Despite the gloomy sky, the flight was exceptionally stable, a testament to the solid performance of this aircraft type. Really amazing. You can see the leg space is not that much. A man with the height of 6 feet will definitely have problem, or more than 6 feet I must say, will have problem while sitting on this seat. Cabin crew move with efficiency and grace, offering light refreshments and ensuring everyone remained comfortable. No frills, just smooth service. Chips Oman and chicken sandwich along with water I was served. It really looks fresh and delicious. I must say it's fresh. But to show in the hands for a cloud formation. I'll have to stay closer to the nature, guys. Amazing. Lovely. Lovely. Really smooth. Very smooth. Let me tell you something. Again, with no personal screens or in-flight entertainment, I leaned back, letting the view and the quiet hum of the CFM 56 engines be my entertainment. Cabin service was businesslike, short on embellishments, full on courtesy. Our cruise speed near max 0.78 around 830 km per hour with a perfect stable right throughout. It's very clean and neat. So now almost into Oman airspace. As we approach Oman, the scene changed dramatically. Within minutes, the clouds began to fade and suddenly clear skies opened up ahead. Below us, the desert landscape of Muscat stretched wide, glowing under golden daylight. From moody grays to sunlight browns, the transition from Pakistan to Oman was stunning. Really unique and very much different. No shaking, no drama, just steady flight and that calming engine drone in the background. So, as we are descending gently, going to touch down, let me tell you something. That Oman Air is unique. It's very much different. Very much different. And I really love Oman Air. And I have been traveling Oman Air since 2011. So finally landed, descended gently and touched down on time. The landing was smooth and the entire flight from the grey skies of Pakistan to the sunlight. Arrival in Muscat felt like two contrasting worlds connecting by one reliable aircraft. This was the journey from Pakistan to Oman, plus review about Oman Air. See you very soon. Till then, goodbye.
Refueling.
يرجى أخذ الحيطة والحذر عند فتح الخزائن العلوية والتأكد من أخذ جميع أمتعتكم الشخصية قبل مغادرة الطائرة. يمكنكم تشغيل هواتفكم المتحركة الآن. كما نرجو منكم الامتناع عن التدخين حتى وصولكم إلى المنطقة المخصصة للتدخين داخل مبنى المطار. بالنيابة عن قبطان الطائرة وجميع أفراد طاقم الضيافة، لقد كان من دواعي سرورنا أن نكون بخدمتكم اليوم. شكرا لسفركم على متن الطيران العماني. نتطلع إلى الترحيب بكم مجددا على متن رحلاتنا. شكرا.
Dear valued guests, for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please take care when opening the overhead stowage and ensure you have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the aircraft. Guests who wish to switch on their mobile phones may do so now. Please refrain from smoking until you are in a designated smoking area inside the terminal building. On behalf of the captain and the crew, it has been our pleasure to be at your service today. Thank you for flying with Oman Air. We look forward to welcoming you